Hi, this is Jeff with French Market Lanterns, and today we're going to be cleaning a gas lantern. These are some of the tools I use to clean my gas lantern. I'll have a brush to wipe away some of the debris inside and outside. I have a flathead screwdriver for prying some of the tabs that hold the glass in. Sometimes it's not needed, but sometimes it is. I like to have that around. I have a razor blade and scraper to clean some of the more difficult debris that's on the glass. I have some motor oil to use to wipe on the copper to clean and to replenish the metals. Glass cleaner and a couple of rags. So let's get started. Lantern. First, I'm just going to brush off some of the things. I have a lot of cobwebs and other debris. This is out in the yard, doesn't get a lot of attention. Then I'll start removing the glass. I'll start with the door, opening the door. We have these little tabs to hold the glass in. I'll bend those down. Sometimes it's pretty easy to bend with your fingers. Other times you need the screwdriver to get it out. So I'll just take those out and carefully place those down. Kind of go around the ends. Next, I'm going to take a rag with some oil. I use motor oil, WD-40, any kind of petroleum-based oil. Start at the top and wipe it down.
Is there any technique that you use?
No, not really. Just try to get all the.
You recommend doing it twice?
Well, you want to kind of rub it in, just to get it into the metal and lift that dirt off. Don't really want to leave a heavy sheen on it.
How often do you recommend cleaning the lantern?
I try to do it like at least once a year. It's you can do it more frequently, but usually once a year is pretty good. Kind of want to rub it in a little bit, not just wipe it, just rub it in to get it into the metal.
And what is the benefit of the oil on the copper?
Usually, like when they it rejuvenates the metal, the oil will penetrate the metal. It provides a little protective coating. A lot of the materials, when you have an oil rub bronze finish or something like that, that's usually on a. See, that's the problem we were having.
The power went out.
Yeah, that's the problem we were having.
I think the batteries are low. Go ahead.
Like when you have your oil rub bronze finish, that's usually a darkened brass or copper, and it actually is rubbed with oil to bring out the luster and the finish. So this is kind of just adding a little, replenishing the oils in the metals. But
Does it help with patina, or is it not really?
It will, like if you have any kind of corrosion or patina, like you see some of the green patina on here. This kind of cleans it off, brings back more of the bronzy brown of the metal rather than any of the other colors like a verde green that may be on there from the copper patina, the patina of the copper.
Okay.